This is a tutorial for your splits from pole sit. So you don't really need to have a completely flat split to be able to do this. You can use this move to try and actually make your flexibility in splits a little bit wider. So let's just go from the floor first, just to think about what this move actually looks like and what I'm asking you to do. So we'll go down to the floor. So let's imagine we're in our pole sit now. So I've got the left leg high, right leg low, okay? So I've just got my hands in front of my chest, I lean back, and because I've got the left leg high, that means I want the left leg to come in front of the pole. So right now, both legs are facing the right direction. I want to split them apart and make them go into a split. So I've got the hands in front of the chest, I lean back, the left leg's going to come up. Because obviously the left hand's there now, I can't move that leg, so that means I need to remove the left hand quickly and wrap it around the outside of the leg. So it just looks like this, back, round. Do that a few times before you even attempt to do it up the pole, especially if you haven't got someone there to spot you. Now, let's try with the other leg high. So we've got the right hand high, right leg high, lean back, 1, so what happens when you feel more comfortable with that, so we can take it up the pole, and the bottom leg, as the top leg goes up to the top of the pole, the bottom leg comes to the bottom of the pole. So you need a bit of height for this, depending on how tall you are. I think my legs take up quite a bit of this space because there's not that much height. So I'll show you what it looks like again. I'll talk it through as I'm doing it. So I just want to go from one front climb, doesn't matter if you're spinning or not, there, lift up, legs forward. I've got the left leg on top, so start to lean back, switch, split. And then you can slide down to come off. So that's the tutorial for splits from pole seat. Play around with it. Don't go too high up until you just get comfortable with the entry and just sliding down and just get used to being in that position and holding it, okay? And then there will be combinations from it later on.